What's your buddy doing? Can you shake his hand? Shake? Shake? No. Shh. Sit. Sit. Shh. Shake. Good boy. No, shake his hand, okay? Sit. Shake.
Don't be frightened.
Good boy.
I am here to serve you.
See?
For dinner.
You shake? No. Shh. Shake. Jethro. Shake.
We hope
Good boy.
hanging around for a very
Shake his
long
hand.
time.
No. Quiet. I know, you're very excited. Sit.
We also
Shit. Stop.
dining
No.
pleasures.
No bark.
Brains stuffed with eyeballs.
Sit. You're very excited. I know. Come here. Sit. Shake his hand. Can you shake his hand? Shake. Jethro, shake. Shake.
Dinner will
Good
be
boy.
served in a dungeon.
See? He says you get dinner. Let's go get Jethro's dinner. In the dungeon. You're gonna get me in trouble for barking so loud. You're having fun though, aren't you? You're gonna like Halloween, Jethro. You're gonna like Halloween a whole lot.